Good morning to my lovely kids. I hope you have a great day ahead. So, students, today we will be doing the second topic of our composition, that is, writing a story. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn how to write a story. I hope you will enjoy to write a story on your own. So let us see how to write a story.
Today is story writing using an outline. At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to write a story based on the given outline. Let's carefully read the outline of the story. Ant, thirsty, river, slips, drowns, dove, plucks, leaf, fall, climbs, floats, thanks, hunter, gun, aims, dove, stings, foot, screams, noise, flies away. After reading this outline, we get an idea what the story is about. Isn't that right? The outline describes a sequence of events or order of events with characters in the form of points or short phrases. Now we give life into this outline and develop these points into a complete story. Before that, we will see the elements of story writing. The first point is characters of the story. The characters in the story may be people, animals, and sometimes even non living things who talk and behave like human beings. If the characters are animals or non living things, present them in your story as human beings. This will make your story interesting and enjoyable. The second point is developing a story from an outline. Let me tell you the important points you should remember while writing a story. Number one, read the outline of the story carefully and understand what the story is all about. Number two, develop the points of the outline into complete sentences. Number three, follow the outline of the story. That is, follow the sequence in which the points are given. These parts form the series of events in the story. Then, do not omit any part of the outline. Do not include unrelated or unnecessary events that may change the story completely. Now, fourth point is every story has a beginning, middle, and an ending. Fifth point is include details to make the story interesting and enjoyable to read. Sixth point is write the story in the past tense. I repeat, write the story in the past tense even if the outline may be provided in the present tense. Finally, the very important point is remember to give a title to your story. Title of the story. Choose a title that is related to the main characters or events of the story. Please note, in the title, the main words begin with capital letters. Let's begin. Now let us think of the title for the story. Since the story is about the ant and the dove, we shall give the same title. The ant and the dove. See, I used capital letters for the main words ant, dove. Let's start the introduction of the story. On a hot summer day, An ant was walking along the bank of a river. Bank means by the side of the river. The ant was tired and thirsty. It went to the river to drink water. Unfortunately, the ant slipped and fell into the river and was struggling for life. Now let us write the body of the story. A dove sitting on a tree saw the ant was drowning. So the dove plucked a leaf from the branch and let it fall into the river close to the ant. The ant climbed on the leaf and floated safely to the bank of the river. The ant was grateful and thanked the dove for saving its life. Later that day, the ant saw a hunter with a gun aiming at the dove. Immediately, the ant stung the hunter on his foot and he screamed in pain. Hearing the noise, the dove flew away. Now let's write the end of the story. So, in this way, the ant repaid the dove by saving its life from danger. Hope by now you must have understood what we need to do to write a story from the given outline. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoyed the story The Ant and the Dove and also learned how to develop a story using an outline. I will be posting an outline in your class story for you to write an interesting story. Thank you so much. Take care.